All right, today we're going to bring on the iRobot Roomba i3. We're going to replace the battery and see what you need to do to get replacement. So I ended up buying this battery online because unfortunately my machine completely died out. I can't get it to power up at all. So we're going to replace the battery. So let's go ahead and do that and see how easy it is. So all right, that's simple to remove the screws. I'm not even going to remove them. I'm just going to keep them there aligned. The battery is simple. It's located here. All you got to do is pretty much remove this, push this up, all right, well, towards you. If you want, you just put it out and then just get the new one in. Do the same thing, just slide it in and lock it in place, and that's it. So we're going to lock it back, all right? So right now, we're going to turn it on in a bit and make sure the sensors, but while you're out of here, you can clean it up too because I do own dogs, and dog hair is everywhere here. So I am going to remove it and clean some of the stuff off first before I even start. So let me remove clean it up a little bit.